What's the meaning of aluminium? Aluminium. 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 Aluminium.
Aluminum is a metallic element with the chemical symbol Al and atomic number 13. It is a lightweight, soft, and durable metal that is widely used in various industries due to its unique properties, such as its ability to resist corrosion and be easily molded into various shapes. Aluminum is commonly used in the production of aircraft, automobiles, packaging materials, construction materials, and electrical equipment. In addition, it is also used in various household items, such as utensils, foils, and cans. Overall, aluminum is a versatile and important material that plays a significant role in modern society.